Welcome back to my YouTube channel Grandpa Mathematics. Today we'll be doing the one more problems in application of integration. Tomorrow we are going to start differential equation. So in one more question, we have to choose the answer A or B or area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So this is center at origin and the radius 2 unit. Radius 2 units, x is 0 and x is 2. So equation of y-axis is x is 0 and this is the line x is equal to 2. So we have to find the area of this one. Area of the circle is pi r square. So radius is 2. So pi 2 square is 4 pi and we have to choose 1/4. So pi is the answer. So we have to choose only the answer. We need not write all the steps. Area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 4x y-axis and the line y is equal to 3. Just we will draw the rough sketch. Y square is equal to 4x is a parabola, right-handed parabola. Y-axis, parabola y-axis, and y is equal to 3. So equation of x-axis y is 0, this y is equal to 3. So we have to find this area bounded by parabola y-axis and line y is equal to 3. So what we have to do? Integral y varies from 0 to 3 dy. Dy means we have to find, we have to write x in terms of y square by 4. So on integrating, what we'll get? 1 by 4 times y cube by 3, 0 to 3. So 1 by 4, 3 cube. 1 by 4 times 3 cube by 3 is 3 square. So 9 by 4. So this is the answer. So like that you have to choose, we need not write the full steps. So smaller area enclosed by circle x square plus y square is 4. So it's a circle. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Radius is 2 units. And center at the origin, and x plus y is 2. X is 0 means y is 2. Y 0 means x is 2. So this is the equation of the line x plus y is 2. So we have to find this area. We need not use the method what we have done so far. So find the area of this. Area of this quarter part of circle minus area of this triangle. So radius is 2 units, pi r square, pi into 4. This is the area of circle by 4. This is the area of quadrant of the circle minus half times 2 into 2, 4. So pi minus 2 is the answer. So B is the answer. So area of quadrant of circle minus area of the triangle. Area lying between the curves y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to 2x. So y square is equal to 4x. Y is equal to 2x. So y is equal to 2x means this will pass through origin. Anyhow, we have to solve these two equations to see where the line intersects the parabola. Y square is 4x, y square is 4x square, y square is 4x square. So 4x is equal to 4x square minus is equal to 0. So 4x into 1 minus x. So intersecting at x is 0 and x is 1. X is 0, x is 1. So join these two. So this is the equation of the line. So area lying between the curve. This area we have to find. So area is equal to x varies from 0 to 1. We'll take the equation of curve. Y is 2 root x minus equation of this curve is this line is y is 2x. So minus 2x dx. Now take 2 outside. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x square 0 to 1. So 4 by 3. 4 by 3, put x is 1 only, minus 1 square. So 1 by 3 square units. So this is the answer. We need not write the full steps. Area bounded by the curve y is x cube, x-axis, and the ordinates x is minus 2 and x is 1. Just we will draw the rough sketch. X is minus 2, equation of y-axis x is 0, so x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. So x-axis here take. Now in this equation you put x is 1, we will get y is also 1. So 1 comma 1. You put x is 0, y is also 0. So this another point. You put x is minus 2, y is minus 8. So let us take this point is minus 2 comma minus 8. So it's a cubic. It's not straight line, it's a curve. We need not draw. So the curve is above the x-axis between 0 to 1, but below the x-axis between minus 2 and 0. So we can write equation of this curve is y is x cube. So what the area now? Area is equal to modulus of, because below the x-axis you have to take modulus. X is minus 2 to 0. So minus 2 to 0 x cube dx plus integral 0 to 1 x cube dx. X power 4 by 4 minus 2 to 0 plus again x power 4 by 4 0 to 1. 0 0 only will come. Minus, you put x is, you have to put modulus again, but this modulus. Modulus is there. Minus 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 4 squares, 16 by 4. Plus, this will be 1 by 4. So 4 plus 1 by 4 is 17 by 4 is the answer. So this is the answer. Some of the problems we have to do the problems, but we need not write the steps. Area bounded by the curve y is x modulus of x-axis and the ordinates x is minus 1 and x is 1. So that equation we can write y is equal to x square if x is greater than or equal to 0 minus x square if x is less than 0. So that means we have two equations. So we will draw this x-axis, y-axis, x is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 1, x is equal to minus 1, and equation is y is, if it is positive, then y is x square. You put x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is also 1. So this point is 1 comma 1. In this, you put x is 0, y is 0, x is minus 1. x is minus 1. So what we will get? Minus 1 comma minus 1. For this portion we have to take modulus. So integral minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, we got the equation minus x square dx plus integral 0 to 1 x square dx minus x cube by 3 minus 1 to 0 modulus plus x cube by 3 0 to 1. So I put 0, 0 only comes, then minus, you put x is minus 1, so minus 1 cube is again minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, so this is the answer. So first we will do this problem, 19th one. Area bounded by y-axis y-axis, x is equal to 0, y is cos x and y is sin x. So it's 0, this is the graph of y is sin x. So this is pi and this is pi by 2. And cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So this is the equation of y is equal to cos x. So y is cos x, cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1. And we have to find the area bounded by y-axis. So y-axis, y is cos x and y is sin x. So this area we have to find. So that means we have to solve these two equations, get the intersection point. Y is cos x, y is sin x. So sin x is equal to cos x. So we know that sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. So this is nothing but 45 degrees, pi by 4. 0 x is pi by 4, integral 0 to pi by 4 x varies from 0 to pi by 4. We'll take this equation, this curve. Is y is cos x. So cos x minus, we have to get the area. If we take this one, x is 0, x is pi by, we'll get this full area. We have to subtract this. So we'll take this curve, sin x, cos x minus sin x dx. So this is y is cos x, area bounded by y-axis, y is cos x and y is sin x. This area we written like this. This is sin x 0 to pi by 4. Cos x if we integrate, sin x minus, if we sin x if we integrate, minus cos x will come. Now we put x is pi by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is again 1 by root 2, minus sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So this will be root 2 minus 1. So root 2 minus 1. So this is the answer. Area of circle exterior to the parabola y square is equal to 6x. So x square plus y square 16 is a center at origin and the radius 4 units. And parabola y square is the 6x is a right-handed parabola. Now we have to find area of circle exterior to the parabola, that is this area we have to find. So for that we will find this area and then we will subtract this from the area of this circle. So how to get this area? We have to get the equation of y-axis. X is equal to 0. This line is x is equal to 4. You have to solve and get this the intersection. X coordinate of the intersection point. So y square is 6x. So x square plus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0. So x plus 8, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is 2 or minus 8. X is minus 8 means y square minus 8 will not get any real value for y, so we are not considering this. So x is 2 only. So I put x is 2. Equation x coordinate of the intersection point is 2. So equation of this line is x is 2. Now we'll take x is 0, x is 2. We'll take the equation of this curve. X is 2, x is 4. We'll take the equation of the circle. So root 6 root x. Circle is y square is y is a square root of 4 square minus x square. 4 square minus x square, this y comes. So what is the area? I will put a dash. Otherwise you will forget. A dash is equal to integral 0 to 2 root 6 root x dx plus 2 to 4 x is 2 x is 4. Equation of this curve is nothing but it is a part of the circle. So 4 square minus x square dx. So this will be root 6 x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to 2. Here x by 2 square root of 4 square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. X by a is 4. So limit is 2 to 4. 2 root 6 by 3. 2 root 6 by 3. 2 power 3 by 2. So 2 root 2. 0 means 0 only, plus you put x is 4. 4 square minus 4 square, this will become 0. This 8 sin inverse 1 pi by 2 minus you put x is 2. 2 by 2 1 square root of 4 square minus 2 square, 16 minus 4, 12 minus 8 times sin inverse half. So 2 into 2 4 by 3 root 12 plus 4 pi minus root 12 minus 8 sin 30 is equal to half. Sin inverse of 30 degrees. So pi by 6. So 4 by 3 square root of 12 minus square root of 12. This gives 1 by 3 times square root of 12. Then 4 pi minus 4 by 3 pi. So 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. So 8 by 3 pi. Here 4 you take outside us, that will become 2. 2 by 3 times root 3. 4 we taken 2. 2 by 3 times root 3. So Yes, 2 by 3 root 3 plus 8 by 3 pi. This is area above the x-axis only. What you have found is only this area. So you have to multiply this by 2 times. So 4 by 3 root 3 plus 16 by 3 pi. So this is the area of this full portion. That we have to subtract from 16 pi square. So the area is, radius is 4 pi r square. 16 pi is the area of the circle. Minus 16 by 3 pi minus 4 by 3 root 3. So 48 minus 16. 32 by 3 pi minus 4 by 3 root 3. Everywhere 4 by 3 is there. We'll take 4 by 3 outside. Then comes 4 by 3. 4 means 8 pi. 4 by 3 root 3. So 4 by 3 8 pi minus root 3. So C is the answer. I don't know any other shortcut method. Let us see. Find the area of the shaded region. So we have to find the area of this region. So y is 4, this one, y is 0. The equation of parabola is x square is equal to y. So to find the area, interval y varies from 0 to 4. Y is 0, y is 4. You have to express x in terms of y. X in terms of y, root y. So root y dy. Now we can get the area of the shaded region. Y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to 4. So 2 by 3 times 4 power, so 2 square power 3 by 2. So 8 into 2, 16 by 3 square units. So is modulus of x plus 1. To sketch the curve, we have to equate x plus 1 to 0. This gives x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis. X is equal to minus 1. So now y is equal to x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to minus 1. And is equal to minus of x plus 1 if x is less than minus 1. Now we have two graphs. So minus 4 to 2. So when x is minus 1, y is 0. X is minus 1, y is 0. Minus 4. When x is minus 4 is negative value, x is less than minus 1, negative value, so you have to use this equation. So y is equal to minus 4 plus 1, minus 3, minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So this x is minus 4 and y is plus 3. So minus 4 comma plus 3, and this minus 1 comma 0 is another point. And if x is 2, and x is equal to 2, y is 3. So we'll get 3, same point, 2 comma 3. So now we have to join these two. This is y is equal to x plus 1, and this is y is equal to minus of x plus 1. Now we have to evaluate that integral. Integral minus 4 to 2 modulus of x plus 1 dx. You can write minus 4 to minus 1. What is the equation? Minus of x plus 1 dx plus minus 1 to 2, minus 1 to 2, which is x plus 2, x plus 1 dx. So you have to find the integral minus 4 to 2 modulus of x plus 1 dx. So this gives what now? Minus I will take outside, x square by 2 plus x minus 4 to minus 1 plus x square by 2 plus x minus 1 to 2. Now I put x is minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 minus of, put x is minus 4, 16 by 2, 8 minus 4 plus 2 square by 2, 2 plus 2, then put x is minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1. This is equal to minus of, this is minus half, minus 8 minus 4 is 4, minus 4 plus 2 plus 2, 4. This is minus of, so plus of. So 4 and a half, that is 4 and a half plus 4 and a half is equal to 9 square units. So integral minus 4 to 2 modulus of x plus 1 dx gives the area of this region, area of these two triangles. So integral minus 4 to 2 modulus of x plus 1 dx gives area of the shaded region as shown in the figure, that is equal to 9 square units. We have to find the area of the region, the set of ordered pairs such that x square minus 4y less than or equal to 0, y minus x is less than or equal to 0. So x square minus 4y less than or equal to 0. So this gives x square less than or equal to 4y. So x square is equal to 4y is an upward parabola this x square is equal to 4y. We have to see x square less than 4y, but the solution is this side or above. First we will draw the sketch of these equations. Y minus x less than or equal to 0. So y is less than or equal to x. So x is 0, y is 0. So we have to solve these two equations to see where the parabola intersect the line. So x square is 4y, x is y. So x square is equal to 4y here x is equal to y, so x square is equal to 4x, x into x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is 0 or x is equal to 4. So x is 0, so this x is equal to 4. So the line and parabola intersect these two. This y is equal to x. Take a point, x is 2, so let us take this point 2 comma 0. So x is 2, 4 is less than or equal to 0, so this is not correct. So this is not a solution for this parabola, so solution for the parabola will be towards this side, because the point 2 comma 0 is not a solution for the parabola, because 4 is not less than 0 is not greater than 4. Let us see for the line. Again, the same point we'll take p of 2 comma 0, y is 0 less than or equal to 2. So this okay. So that means for this line, the solution is towards this side. So the set of ordered pairs x comma y such that satisfying these two conditions is the shaded region. Let A be the area. So A is equal to x is 0, x is 4. So x is 0 to 4. Take the equation of line. Y is x minus y is x square by 4 dx. So this x square by 2 minus 1 by 4 times on integrating will get x cube by 3. Limit 0 to 4. 4 square by 2, 8 minus 1 by 4 times 4 cube 64 by 3. If you put x is 0, 0 only comes. So this will be 8 minus 16 by 3. So 24 minus 16, 8 by 3 square units. So this is the answer. So find the area of the region bounded by this curve. 25x square plus 16y square is 400. We know that this equation of ellipse, you divide throughout by 400, we will get x square by 400 by 25 plus y square by 400 by 16 is equal to 1. X square by square plus 4 is equal to 1. This is an ellipse with the semi-major axis length is equal to 5 units and the semi-minor axis length is equal to 4 units. Here like this. So this x-axis, x dash, y dash. So this is 4 comma 0. This is 0 comma 5. Area of ellipse is pi AB. So pi into 5 into 4, 20 pi square units. If it is a one more question, then we need not follow the method what you have done earlier.